Okay, here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres, materials wetted, help highlight the colours. Basically these are just nice pattern, or some of the pieces are nice pattern. A couple of other bits I've just thrown in. We'll go in a bit closer so you get a better look. First bit is just at the picture stone. Not a lot of fire. Nice hard material though, so you get a nice polish on it. Bit more colour in this piece, interesting sort of swirls. Again, it's on hard material, so it should polish well. Third piece that you should be able to cut into a stone. This piece is interesting in that the opal might go through here. It appears it could be a pipe of opal. Won't know until you grind this off here. If it does, you might end up with a nice long stone. Otherwise you chat it off here. Just highlight that part. These other two pieces I've just thrown in. Whether that comes off and there's a bit more opal under there, I don't know. Same with this piece, it's got a little bit of colour here, but not a lot. Anyway, it is what it is for the deal. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.